Hey everybody, I'm Jared Allen with Bully Bag and Tool Company, here to introduce our new product line of the installers, the Bully Bag drill holster. This drill holster is unique in that it can be worn on the belt or crossbody with the included sling. Has 4 chambers on the outside for holding your tips, bits, pliers, what have you, as well as 2 screwdriver slots on the front and a tape strap, because you never know when you're going to need that. This can be worn on the belt both left and right. You can install the drill both forwards and backwards. Comes with 2 D-rings here. That's applicable for any of your type gear that you want to harness there, but you can also use it for the tape strap. That's what it was originally done for. Comes with the tether strap to click in so that you're safe at height and you're always ready to go. So check out the new product line from Bully Bag today at bullybag.com.